He go, I got it. Oh, nice.
Nhiều đáo tên là phim nào không hề ta.
Yeah. It's good size.
It's decent.
Yeah. Mm. It's decent.
Modern farm.
Nhìn má lên nhìn đéo. Over there, huh?
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, it's starting to fight now. You're kind of like getting away from that line on that side.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Come over here with that.
Nice.
Get on top.
You got him?
I don't know what him splash.
You see him here? You see him here?
Oh yeah. Look out.
This sheep sucker is huge.
Dang, boy, we found him.
Got him? Got one?
No, I think you have a better chance of doing the jig. All you gotta do is let it hit the bottom. Let it hit the bottom.
Yeah. Damn, these are hella big, Chijia. Nine. 10.
Pretty cool though, huh?
Yeah, nice and easy. Yeah. Yeah, I could tell from here. This one's nice too, man. Oh, dang. Oh, this one is nice.
Oh, you got another one?
Oh, yeah. Oh, did I get you a line? Did I get you a,
Oh, yeah, you gotta keep it away from the,
yeah.
go the other way, yeah.
I got them. There you go. Oh, right there. Look like he's hurting. Ở trên này bỏ có cái nhiệm bala. Oh, this one is nice. Should you look at this guy? Oh, he took my bait.
Two good one.
That's a good one, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh man. Crazy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I got one over here too. This remind me of Shasta. Oh, I lost it. He jumped out. That one's good? Oh yeah. Your net is over there, Chin.
Actually, here.
You want me to grab him?
Yeah.
I
See over and down him. This side, look.
I could just grab him.
Oh, yeah. There you go. Yeah, that's a good one.
Oh yeah. Oh look. Oh yeah, he's chasing. He's hella beaten. Got beaten up. There you go, baby. Yeah. Oh, now you wanna fight. Ooh. Sounds pretty. Nice. There you go, buddy. Fish on. Oh, this is a good sized bass. Woo! This one is nice. Oh, is this even a bass, Chijia? It's pike. Pike? What's it called? Squaw? Oh, nice. I knew I got you. There you go, baby. Yeah. Oh, this one is nice. Oh, this one is nice. Oh, fatty. Yeah, this one is a fatty. There you go. Oh, almost got hit.
Come this way. Take you this way. Don't switch on me.
Oh, watch your line.
Yeah, he thought he had it. Okay.
You thought you got the side or something?
Yeah, I thought I took him on the belly.
Huh.
Yeah, I lost my damn.
I think he's going. You can have enough hand, I guess. Catfish all day. Oh, two of them. I'll deal with you in a minute. Hang in there.